All right, another scenario here. Here's what I have. I know that AB is equal to GH, so I've got AB as yellow. I know that AB is equal to GH, so I have GH in green. I have TY as part of the second one. I'm going to make it blue. And then I have NM sitting here as the thing that they're equal to. So let me talk out loud for the colors. I know yellow is equal to green. All right, so I know that. I know yellow plus blue equals purple. Okay, and when I take those two things together, the conclusion that's drawn is that green plus blue has to equal purple. Now this one is much more complicated looking than the other four if you did them. It says because since AB and GH are equal, you can substitute one for the other. It's got an extra O in there. One for the other. Cross that extra O out. One for the other in an equation. All right, so that can happen. Now, maybe that makes sense to you, maybe it doesn't. Let's use numbers again. All right. Now, this one's a little harder to use the numbers because I have to really walk my way through this very carefully. I'm going to pick a random number for the yellow one, so 10. Okay, it's 10. That means that green has to be 10. That means that green has to be 10. If yellow's 10, that means yellow has to be 10. All right, now, I don't know a number for blue. I don't know one. I also don't know a number for purple. All right, but I can see that blue and purple are each in these other things here. So I'm going to pick a number for one of them, and it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to say that blue's 5. All right, so if blue's 5, that equals 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. If blue is 5 here, guess what? It's got to be 5 there. 10 plus 5 is 15. All right, and the deal with this is that this is always going to happen. All right, no matter what happens, what number you pick for yellow, when you walk your way through the rest of this, because these two yellow ones have to be the same there, you can take this green one and you can swap those two because the yellow and the green are exactly the same number. So that means if I switch them, it's going to be the same number. All right, this is called the substitution property. It's one of the only ones that I will use a name for because the name literally says what's happening. When you substitute something, you switch two supposedly equal things in and out for each other. All right, so substitution property works nice and neat here. You will use this sometimes. It's not a super common thing, but you'll use it sometimes when you're writing a proof.